Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. I have been busy rushing around finishing things for the wedding. We go 2 weeks today. I can't believe it. I've been finishing off some projects, and I wanted to make some cat journals for sale. I was going to wait until I'd made them all. There's going to be 5 in total, but I've just finished this one, which I am naming, oh my gosh, Constance. So she is Constance, and they are all going to have names. Charles, there really isn't any room because I have all my work here. Right, sit down. And she has just turned out just gorgeous. OMG, I absolutely love her. I'm very tempted to keep her myself. Look at her, she is just so yummy. It's a fabric background, and it's this gorgeous velvet, oh my gosh, really yummy fabric. And I have sewn around her with I actually used some different stitches on my sewing machine. Oh my goodness me. And I do love this leaf embroidery stitch. So I've used that, and I've done a lace ruffle all the way round, and then covered it with this gorgeous, absolutely lovely lace, and it goes near enough round the whole of the back of the cover. She has got satin, cream satin ribbon for the enclosure. We have some dangles. We've got loads going on in here. Lots of vintage books in here as well. So in the front page, you've got this lovely pocket with a lovely edge, and I've put some vintage lace on there. I made a couple of, like this card I made with a little cat stamp. I don't know if I like it, but it's different, so that's in there. And then you've got this lovely little extra piece there with a cat on it. This is from a 1926 book, a French book, so I can't understand what it says because it's all in French, something about the fish. And then up here, right here, we've got a little tucked spot, and we've just got some ephemera. Most of the ephemera is coffee dyed and sewn around. There's just a couple of pieces there isn't. This is, excuse my fingers, I have glue all over it. We have this lovely cat dangle charm, just gorgeous. More vintage paper, lots of writing space in this journal. One of my cat bags, so I've turned that into a pocket, and it's just got a bit of ephemera in there. It's a double pocket actually. You can go behind the bag or in the bag, which actually does come out for you to put something in. And then we've got some more music paper, and I made a journaling card, put some little paw prints on, and that's just some ephemera in the pocket there. And coffee dyed grid paper, Edith Holden book pages, more coffee dyed, a little cat sticker on there. And then I've got a little fabric piece as a little what do you call it, it's like a tiffin, isn't it, they call them. And then there's another little oh my gosh, charm here that says made with love, little hearts. And then a pocket envelope, which was from the lovely Jan when I got it in Happy Mail. And there's a little journaling card there. And in here, there are 2 pieces of little cat writing paper. See, I do use my things I get in Happy Mail. I just love those little pockets. Wait if I can get those in. There you go. It's on vintage ledger paper. And then here I've used some lovely trim that I got from AliExpress. It is just so much fun. It's gorgeous. There's that lovely French book again. And then we have some patterned paper. More vintage books. Then we've got a little key charm down there. I tried to use lots of different paper in this one. Right, then we have a little pocket there, which I made a little journaling card with another little cat. And then some more. That's got some lace on it. It's just a little bit of ephemera. Lovely old book. Look how that's stained. Oh, I just love it. St. George and the Dragon. Then we've got another little tuck spot here with one of my cat stamps. And here's some Alice in Wonderland cat ephemera in the pocket there. And then we've got another pocket here which has just got some ephemera in the pocket. And then I've put some paw prints down the edge there. I don't know if I've been in shot all that time now. I'm trying to get like without Charlie in. So more of the vintage book, coffee dyed paper. Got a little flip out there of the ledger paper. And then there's a pocket here that I made from a birthday card, and it's just got a little tuck spot there with some ephemera. It's actually a double tuck spot because you've got a pocket behind and you've got a pocket there. I've used some lovely vintage lace. Look at that little pussycat. Isn't he adorable? And then more coffee dyed, Edith Holden. And then on this side, this is a little tuck spot which you can just take off, and you can use them as a tuck spot. It's just got some ephemera in there. This is that music paper, and in here's just a bit of ephemera. It's got some lace on here, old pages, and then this is a tag that I made from another birthday card. Look at how big that one is, and it's got that lovely old paper. That's from actually the backing paper from that I didn't coffee dye. It was from a book from 1902 or something like that. Then we have some old vintage letters, some fabric, some little fabric pieces there, another little fabric piece there, and then that's the French bit, and it's got a little flower on there. And then this is a lovely pocket with some vintage lace and another bit of ephemera. That's Tim Holtz, and that is the book. Look at these lovely images from that book. So this is Constance. Now if you're wanting Constance, she is £20 and £4 postage if you are in the UK. If you're not in the UK, let me know, and I'll let you know how much the postage is. I know that she will go to a good home because I've been asked to make cat journals before, and there will be some more coming this week. I'm not sure when. I've half done them, so I was going to put them all on together, but I just couldn't wait because she is lovely and she's wanting a good home. So let me know if you want to buy her. Please leave a comment in the box below, or email me at craftfairyfreebies at gmail.com. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.